What's up, Cripple Crew? This is EDC with DBD, Disabled But Deadly, and Mabel, who just stole my flashlight out of my pocket and then dropped it on the ground. And Megalon. And Bo. And they wanted to show you that today's carry is the Spyderco PM2, Spyderco Li'l Native, and Hogue Deka. All rocking Lynch Northwest clips. To remind you that the Lynch Northwest Freedom Sale ends in 1 week. Check out yesterday's short. Let me know what you guys are carrying in your pockets today. Stay safe, stay frosty, stay deadly.